listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
We are talking about a Fusion application. We have the concept called Global HR. In Global HR, we are going to talk about the User Interface Functional Setup Manager. What is geographies? What is Enterprise Structure Configurator? What are reference datasets? What is Enterprise? HCM, Information Enabled Position Synchronization. What is legal entity, legal address and grades, grade rates and employee rating, SS and MSS, that is Employee Service Manager Service. Then we talk about absence management. Whatever is written in bold now, that is important. That actually the second module. First module was global HR, second is absence management. Then we have work shift, work pattern, accrual plans, that's absence plans, accrual plan, participation, eligibility profiles, drive factors, absence plans, and payroll qualifications plans, rate definitions, absence management setup framework, compensatory plan, donation plan, and absence certification. And in payroll, third module is payroll. What we're going to cover. In payroll, we have the pay frequencies, payroll definitions, time definitions, and in payroll elements, we have element overview, input value values, variable rules, payroll reductions and element entries, balances, balance definitions, cost formulas, calculate payroll, what is the event groups, what is payment methods, person payment methods, third party payment methods, payroll post payment payroll calculations. All these things we're going to discuss. We have individual compensation, work post compensation. In compensation is a different module. The individual work post compensation. Then if I go fast, just let if you don't understand anything, because if you are, we have just started off the training, you would not be able to understand many things. Once we go ahead, you will be able to catch up with many things. Then we have goal and performance management. We have goal and performance management. We have Fusion, talent management, content library, content types, rating models, profile types, instant qualifiers, talent profiles, and review period. Goal library, talent management, goal plan sets, and approving goals questionnaires, templates, trading questionnaires, performance management, performance templates, validity profiles, performance documents, work evaluation. Then we have time and labor. It's a different module. What is the time limit? It is managing elements and creating customer timeline, attribute value sets, depending time periods, layout sets, time rules and rule sets. All these things. This is the introduction, actually. I will not just give the introduction today. And this is the module that we are going to cover. And this is the agenda. This is the introduction. And today is only one part of the training is discussed. Like today is what? What is the discussion all about? It is like a SaaS and PaaS application, inbound integration. What is outbound integration? What is Rusty Web Services? What is the things that we are going to discuss today? And the skills required to learn Cloud ERP. What are the skills required to learn? All the things we are going to discuss and one by one, and we are going to talk about architecture, then product families, then what are the subproducts? What is the middleware? What is the useful link we have? And what is the thing that we are going to understand? The cloud deployment options. We will discuss one by one. When we talk about the Cloud ERP, its little theoretical will be there. I will not do the practical. I didn't understand that. I will not do the practical part because for certain for 2 days the theory will be there. That is what is its architecture. What is the architecture? What is the product families? What is what we call it? The product families. What are the things? What are the product families? What are the different architecture? What are the things? These are things that. What is the difference between EBS and Fusion? What are the technology changes we find? All these things we are going to see in Fusion application. When we talk about the skills that is required to learn Cloud ERP, we have Fusion ERP, we have Oracle Business Suite. When we have Oracle Fusion ERP, we have B, I Publisher SQL or PL Scale. And for e-business suite, we have XM Publisher, RDF reports. All these things are there. And in Fusion ERP, we have OTB. And e-business suite, we have Discover SQL. And interface and conversions, we have every day that is file-based data import and SQL list. And we have interfaces and conversions. We have ADF desktop integration. And in this e-business suite, we have Web ADI. In Cloud ERP, we have BI reports, all web services. And in e-business suite, we have web services, Road Soap and Rush web services. All these things, there's a difference between that. Then cloud component name. When we talk about forms, then we have the idea of Java service pages in Fusion ERP. In Oracle e-business suite, we have Oracle Forms. In workflow, we have Oracle BPM Amex. In e-business suite, we have Oracle Workflow AMI. Extensions, we have Page Composer. E-business suite, we have Forms Personalization. Component name, we have Geography Teams. And in Cloud ERP, we have ES Enterprise Schedule Services. And e-business suite, we have concurrent programs. All these things are there. What is Fusion application? When we describe a Fusion application, what is this? Fusion application is based on open standard platform. Open standard means it has functional part and technical part, both. It is based on business processes. That means it is based on Oracle Business Suite, PeopleSoft did add. But see, these are the business processes. And it is deployed through options. Deployed through options means it has a public cloud and it has private cloud. Public cloud means it has a public cloud and private cloud. Public cloud means when you have. In the later slides, I will teach you what is public cloud and private cloud. Front application architecture. What is this application architecture all about? Front user interface, application server, and desktop server. Front user interface. We have front end user interface, we have Oracle, we have the front user. That is the UI part. User application server. We have the backend somewhere between the front end and the backend. Desktop server. We have the front end, the UI part. Then what is the product families? Product families are what? Product families are the H. Our financials, procurement, inventory. All these are product families. A Fusion middleware. What we have, middleware somewhere between the front end and the back end. And database, we have the back end that is PLSTL. Database. Now we have to write the PLSTL. Product families. What are product families? Product families are human capital management, enterprise resource planning, supply chain management, enterprise performance management, customer service, industry solutions. What is human capital management? We have global HR, we have talent management, we have HCM cloud for metric size. Enterprise resource planning, what we have? Financials, revenue, project financials, procurement, and all these things are there. We have human capital management, supply chain management, inventory management, manufacturing order management, master supply chain planning, and enterprise performance. We have different data modeling and all these financial reporting structures there. Customer experience. We have marketing, sales and sales service industry solutions. We have automatic customer products, retail, education, research and healthcare. All these things are product families which are there in the Oracle product families. We have all these things in the product families. When we talk about human capital management, you can see human capital management, one that can be loaded into this whole product. Oracle Fusion application subproducts. All these things are talent management, recruiting, onboarding, performance management. All these things are there. Workforce management, time management, and performance management, all these things are into this. Subproducts, workforce, payroll compensation, workforce class. We have my brand management, my wellness, my competition, all these things are there. Talent management, recruiting, onboarding, performance management, career and succession planning, all these things come from the human capital management. Fusion middleware. Fusion middleware is what? We have Fusion middleware extension for application user interface, additional FlexV database, and somewhere between the front end and the database. When we talk about the architecture, middleware also comes into play. Middleware is what? It is somewhere between the front end and the back end. We have Application Development Framework Oracle BI Tablets, Oracle Web Center Portal, Oracle Web Center Content, Oracle Data Integration, Oracle Entity Management, Oracle HTTP Server, Oracle Web Logical Communication Services. All these things come under the middleware components. You can see the sites that are given by Oracle to go to the sites and get yourself help. What about help? You can get this link and you can copy this link and post on the URL, and then you can see the differences that you have. You can see the differences that you can make when you are talking about Help Fusion, help resources. And we'll talk about the docs.clickum. Then we have product families. We have human capital, financials, project recruitment, customer relationship management, supply chain management, user product families, Fusion middleware. We have application development framework, and then we have application WebLogic server, Fusion application schema, and middleware schema. What is cloud deployment options? When you talk about the cloud deployment options, we have three options. My software package somewhere. It just gets. See at the down, blue is managed by me and red is managed by the vendor. What are the things that are written in blue is managed by me? When we talk about my software package, all the things are managed by me. That is my application data and time. It is where everything is managed by me. When you talk about the infrastructure as a service, we talk about my application, data and time middleware operating system. These things are managed by me as server storage and networking is managed by the vendor. My application, my data is managed by me, and that's all. things are going to be managed by whom? By the vendor. And usually this is the SaaS. SaaS part is what? Software as a service. My application data and time. Everything is managed by the vendor. Nothing is managed by the vendor. When we talk about Fusion application, this is the thing that we have. What is SaaS? SaaS platform as a service. Software as a service. Usually Fusion application, it is an interview question also. It will ask like everywhere, it is asked where do Fusion HCM plays a role. It is played a role like what is the cloud deployment option. You will say it is the Fusion application uses software as a service, that is SaaS as a service. Now platform as a service. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@upptalk.com.